there are two different types of canvases, automatic and manual. We're going to focus on the automatic canvases. An automatic canvas is one that automatically adds menu items to the canvas. To begin setup, you need to go to Menu and Canvases or Canvas Designer. If we go into Canvas Designer, we can pick a canvas we want to use. It's not currently set up, and go to Canvas up at the top here. If we click this link to Canvas Setup, you'll see that there's different options here, and we can set the different types. Right now this canvas is set to manual. We want to set it to automatic. When you set a canvas that's set to manual to automatic, it will erase any canvas items currently on that canvas. If I say yes, it will go ahead and prep this canvas to be an automatic canvas. The next things I can look at is down at the bottom. There are two different options for controlling how the items are displayed. I can set the automatic template sort, which is going to control how things are alphabetized on the screen. Are they going to be grouped by name? Are they going to be grouped by report group? I can also use sort to also influence how items are categorized. Over on the right hand side, I have an automatic template that controls the number of rows and columns that these items will filter into. A good place for this to be is usually between 4 and 6 and 10 to 12. I'm going to go ahead and change these and hit save. Always want to make sure I also add my name here. We're going to make this automatic canvas for vodka and hit save. Once I close out of here, you'll notice that I can no longer add items to this canvas. Okay, it's pretty much stuck at just being automatic. I can't make any changes other than the options set in the canvas options. If we close out of here, I can now go to my menu item setup. And I'm going to filter for all of my vodkas. So I have a menu item filter set up here. I scroll down for vodka. And I can start assigning all my vodkas here to that vodka canvas. To do that, up at the top here in these tabs, I want to click on the Auto Canvases tab. And now it's going to show me any canvases that are currently set to be an automatic canvas. You can see a bunch of these are set to not automatic, meaning that they're set to be manual. Manual canvases will always require that you manually place any canvas objects onto that canvas. So if I select my absolute here, I can check vodka, and now that item will appear on my vodka screen. I don't have to select every single item. I can skip down and pick different items to choose what will appear on my vodka canvas. As I'm going through here, you'll also notice at the top I have the option of controlling the screen format. That means based upon specific items, I can have different things, different buttons, different colors. So let's just say I want my Smirnoff to be gold. If I scroll down here, I'm also going to add my Tito's, and my Tito's is going to be maroon. The rest of those items that were selected will actually just stay at whatever the default screen format being used for that canvas is. Once I'm done assigning items, I can hit save and close. If I go back into Canvas Designer and go to my vodka screen, you'll see that those items have been added on here. Again, same thing, you can always go into canvases here and you can kind of play with the rows and columns to see how you want it to display. So maybe you want to drop this down to 4 and maybe expand this back out to maybe 11. Once you save and close, it'll reformat those items to resize the buttons. When you're working with it on the front side as a user, clock in as a bartender real quick. And you'll notice that there's really no real estate for any other canvas objects. Because you can only assign menu items, you can't really have anything else fancy on here, like packages, payments, reports, stuff like that. It is just menu items. And the menu items themselves will operate the same as they always would. Just the only difference is the formatting is in the fact that you don't have to manually create every single button. To unassign an item from an automatic canvas, it's pretty easy as well. Maintenance is a lot easier because now all you have to do is go into menu items. Let's find my vodka items again. Let's just say I added a new vodka and we're removing absolute. I can go over to automatic canvases. I can highlight absolute and uncheck it to take it off. And let's say we want to add Ciroc. So I'm going to go to Ciroc and click on vodka to assign it to that canvas. At that point, that's going to automatically update for me. I don't have to manually create the buttons. I don't have to move anything around. It makes it pretty easy and it re-alphabetizes it for me. Downside is, again though, you lose all customization over this canvas. It is purely just menu items. Can't do anything fancy or fun, but it is very easy, very, very easy to maintain. That is automatic canvases.